Guys, it is Kiefer HD. I got my hands on the S10 Plus, guys. I am so happy. It is currently March the 9th, a day after the release. It is currently 7:34, and I got my old Samsung S9 Plus right here, and we're gonna be unboxing the S10 Prism White Plus, the S10 Plus. Okay, guys, I already set most of it up. This is how it looks. You can zoom in a little bit. This is how it looks, guys. It looks real nice. It changes colors. This is the Prism White. It got two cameras. Zoom in. It got two cameras. It has three cameras in the back, plus it has this camera with the flash. It got the silver outlining. I'm gonna show you some of the camera quality. So I'm about to open the camera. As you can see, it shows good on the cameras. I'm pretty sure you can see me. It takes good pictures, guys. It works so fast. It actually works fast. I am so glad I got it. So now it comes with the charger. I already took the earbuds out because I was listening to music on the way back. It is currently dark, as you can see. But yeah, I got these AKG earbuds that came with it. I got these, and I got the little adapter piece. Quick fun fact about it, which is I know on the trailer it said it. You could put the back of the phone to another S10 Plus, and you actually can charge the phone. And this is the cable that came with it, that comes with it, yeah. And this is what you charge the phone with. I mean, obviously. Okay, so guys, hold on. I gotta get in this. Okay, here we go. Something else I think in here. Let's see what this includes. This includes the manual, yeah, how to work it and everything. But this is the S9 compared to this. This is the same size screen. This is the back of them. This is the new one. This is the S9 Plus. Compare these. I got the, a lot of stuff will show up on here. You got the fingerprint in the front, and you got the fingerprint on the back on this one. The same cameras, basically, is just more on this front screen, and it's more on, it's two on this one. And you got the cameras on the back, like I said. You got two cameras on this one. You have a total of 6 cameras, and you compare these like this. You can see it here. Right now we're gonna be comparing the camera quality. Look, guys, this one is actually I think my battery's slow. Hold on, let me put my pattern in and let's get to the camera, guys. Okay, see, look, guys, one quality is actually good. This one looks good. Hold on, cut the camera. Okay, guys, so obviously this just came out. This been out, so we're gonna do a little price comparison. So, but this is 950. This ranges. This is 840. My bad. This is $950 to $1,440. Okay, guys, buying it out will be like $1,440, but if you get it on contract, it'll be like $950. So guys, that's a big price difference. This is how you open it. You put your finger right here. There you go. So now we are going to oh yeah, we're gonna try out the video quality. So right now I'm on YouTube. Obviously we are here, so I'm gonna try a video out on my YouTube channel. Like, why not? Like, come on dude, like why? So let me go to my channel. We're gonna watch a video. Okay guys, so we're gonna do a day in my life at school. Quality is actually good. Quality is good. I'ma pause it right there so I won't get any copyright, but I can go right here to where that's when we was in class watching the movie. So now on here we're gonna go on here to the same exact video. So we're gonna compare both of these phones together. So I mean, so people will know. So hold on guys, I'm gonna go to my channel real quick. As you can see, this quality is alright, but this one is better. So we are about to do the sound test. So we about to do the sound test. I'm saying, guys, this phone is what's up, guys. Y'all need to get this phone. I'm telling you. For the iPhone lovers, that's okay, but for the Android lovers, me, obviously, because if I wanted an iPhone, I could get one if I want to, but I like Samsung better, obviously. So now we about to do a sound test, but on the sound test, we're gonna do a non-copyright song. So we're about to do the sound test. We're gonna play the same exact song on both phones. We're gonna see which one is louder. So guys, so hold on guys. Cut the video. Okay guys, I am back again. So we about to do the sound test. So obviously what way you should start, we're gonna start with the old one, okay guys? So let's go. Okay, so guys, this sounds pretty loud. Okay. So we heard that one, so we're about to play the new one on the S10 Plus. So we're about to do that now. Obviously, you can hear some comparisons that this is actually louder. Okay guys, that was a comparison. Make sure this is a nice phone. Let's do one more quick look at it. It is nice. This is the front of it. It is nice. Everything about this phone is nice to me. Actually, let me show you the case I got. Okay, so it's just a clear case, because why not just admire it and then get a clear case to go with the color, because this color is everything. So I'm gonna put the case on it, because I need the case, because I can't get my phone cracked on the first day. I can't get it cracked no time soon, obviously, or ever. That'd be magnificent, but I really hope it don't. But I'm gonna put this case on, and this is how it looks, guys. But anyway, that is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I will try to put the link of these phones in the description. I will try. Don't hold it to my ability, because maybe I will, maybe I won't. I won't make any or too many promises about that. I will try my best to Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click that button, make sure you like it, comment. If you want a shout out, you can comment in the comment section. In my next latest recent video, I will be giving you a shout out at the end of the video or either in the beginning of the video. But like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. And if I did good with this unboxing video, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Any of those things, like how you can let me know how I did in my video, you get shout outs for that too. Trust and believe me. So if it was me, I would be letting the YouTuber I watch know, cause you can get a free shout out, and that could help you along the way, or even in things you need, like shout outs for stuff like that. But guys, I'm not about to hold you too long, but I'll see you guys in my next video.